Key considerations include costs and fees. While most carriers offer free porting, some mobile virtual network operators may charge a small fee of $10 to $20. Also, be aware of potential early termination fees from your old carrier if you're breaking a contract. The rise of eSIM technology simplifies the process, allowing remote porting without physical SIM swaps. This digital approach eliminates the need for visiting stores or handling physical cards. Looking ahead, expect more automation using AI assistants to reduce errors and speed up transfer times. The FCC is even considering blockchain technology for secure, immutable porting records, enhancing trust and reducing fraud. Always verify requests and use official channels to avoid scams. Be mindful of data privacy when providing information during the verification process, as carriers may share details for security checks.